quick, healthy brunch. Take an avocado. India was here for most of the weekend and she wanted some avocados, but there's one left from her visit. So this is just one avocado. This will be enough for 2 people. In the toaster, I've got a large piece of sourdough that I halved. No. In the toaster, I've got a large piece of sourdough. Chop up the avocado. I've got a lime. Let's put a little bit of lime juice over that avocado. Some salt. And some pepper. I always keep some frozen prawns in the freezer. I've got 5 here. And I'm going to roughly chop those. I'm probably only going to use half this one because it's quite a big one. And I'm going to very finely dice that. You could use red onion. It's a tiny dice. It's about the size of a grain of rice. I've got a tomato. Roughly chop it. I am getting my big knife out again now and I'm just going to chop through this again. Put all that in a bowl. I'm going to put the rest of that half a lime in. You can either use fresh jalapeno. I'm using my candied jalapeno because that's going to add a lovely layer of flavour, and I'm just going to roughly chop those. Candied jalapeno is in the edible gifts highlight on my Instagram page. I've got some coriander leaves. If you don't like coriander, you could use parsley. I'm going to put in some sea salt, plenty of pepper, as I've got it, I am going to add a little bit of that pickling juice. Give it a good mix. Now, if you're a big Marmite fan, I'm going to have a merest smear of Marmite on my piece. It just adds the most sensational umami kick, but it's not for everyone. Taste it. I think it needs more salt. Pile it on top of the sourdough. Cut it into manageable pieces. There you have it. That is fresh, tasty, and it's just singing.